To add another picture on Photopea, click New Project, then click for the templates on the right down corner. Then choose any templates you want. In this case, I'm choosing this. After that, you can click the image icon and you can search whatever you want to add a picture on your project. In this case, I'm going to add a galaxy. You can resize it to whatever size you want, and also you can add how many pictures you want to put in. And that's it. That's how you add a picture on Photopea. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.